Cookies come in many shapes and flavors, but what makes a cookie amazing and delicious? Well, here at a Sci Guy Cooks, we can answer that for you with Lemon Pizzelle Cookies. So let's get started. You will need a pizzelle maker for this recipe. Time for the wet ingredients. Fresh lemon juice is best. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Let's build the cookies. Set your timer for 45 seconds. Pizzelles are one of the oldest known cookies. Its origin dates back to the Abruzzo region of Italy during the 8th century. Pizzelle's influence has spread beyond Italy, inspiring similar treats in other countries and cultures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these cookies are thin, light, and crispy, and are infused with the perfect amount of lemon flavor. You will absolutely enjoy them. Join the community, leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Yes, these cookies are amazing and delicious. Stay with us. Watch the next video.